Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Look, let's be honest for a moment. Are you tired? Tired of endless cycles, the 9 to 5 grind, the bills piling up, the feeling that no matter how hard you work, you are just, trading through these waters. You might be even earning a decent income, but somehow true financial freedom feels like a distant dream. The feeling, my friend, is what I call the middle class trap. It's a comfortable cage designed by the socialite expectations, clever marketing, and often our own ingrained financial habits. So, therefore, in this video, we are not just going to talk about it, we are going to give you a blueprint, a step by step guide on how to identify the trap, break free from the cycle, and start building the life of financial independence that you truly deserve. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich smart and sustainably. So, if you are ready to escape the middle class mindset and build the lasting wealth, stick around because you are in the right place. First, we need to understand what exactly the middle class trap is. It's not a poverty trap, it's a comfort trap. It's an illusion of security that keeps us from taking the necessary risks and making the bold moves required for true wealth. Let's break down the common pitfalls. We have been told to get a good job, work hard, climb the ladder, and that's fine for the security, but it often means trading all your time for money. Your income is capped, and your wealth building potential is limited to your working hours. So, as your income increases, so do your expenses. New car, big house, more expensive vacations, designer clothes. You feel richer, but you're just spending more, often, going deeper into debt. You are running faster just to stay in the same place. Credit card debts, car loans, personal loans, student loans. Debt is an anchor that weighs down your financial progress. It steals future earnings and prevents you from investing in your future. We will talk about good debt versus bad debt later, but most middle class debt is a bad debt. Schools don't teach us about investing, compounding interest, or building assets. We learn by trial and error, often making costly mistakes. This isn't your fault, but it is your responsibility to fix it. So I will start, by saying that you have to invest someday, and you have to also say that I will save more later. Maybe I will take that risk when I have more security. Someday rarely comes. Procrastination is the silent killer of the wealth. Escaping the middle class isn't just about changing your actions, it's about changing your mindset. The wealth think differently about money, the risk, and also the time. Here are the critical mindset shifts. Uh, the middle class basically consumes, they are the de facto consumers. The wealthy produce instead of just buying things, think about creating value, solving problems, and building assets. How can you create a product, a service, or investment that generates income? And the goal isn't just to earn more, it's to earn more efficiently so you can buy back your time. Your time is your most valuable asset. The wealthy focus on building systems and investment that makes more money without their active daily involvement. The wealthy understand and manage it well as well. This doesn't mean being reckless, but understanding that stagnation is often greater risk than well thought out ventures. And things like education, skills, networking, these are your most potent assets. The wealthy are lifelong learners, constantly upgrading their knowledge and expanding their network. Read books, take courses, find mentors. The middle class often think in terms of immediate gratification. The wealthy think, on the other hand, in decades. They have a long-term plan. They understand the power of compound interest and delayed gratification. All right, with the right mindset in place, let's talk about the practical steps before you jump into the big investment. You need solid foundation. These are non-negotiable. You can't control what you don't measure. Know exactly where every dollar goes. Use apps, spreadsheet, whatever works for you. This isn't about restrictions, it's about awareness and control. So, where are the actionable tips? Well, download a budgeting app or create a simple spreadsheet today. So, credit card debt, personal loans, if you have, pay it off aggressively. Every dollar you spend on interest is a dollar you can't invest in your future. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to clear all of these. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. This is your safety net, preventing you from going back into debt when unexpected life events happen. While cutting expenses is crucial, there is a limit. There is no limit on how much you can earn. There is a limit on how much you can cut, but there is no limit on how much you can earn. So, alright, are you getting paid what you are worth? Research market rates, build your case and ask for raises. Invest in courses or certification that makes you more valuable in your current job or open doors to higher paying roles. Explore ways to make extra money outside your 9 to 5 job. Things like freelancing, consulting, online businesses. These are not just extra cash, they are training ground for entrepreneurship. Pay yourself first. Let us set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings and investment accounts before you have a chance to spend it all. So you basically park your money and then you get over the urge of spending more. All right. So once your foundation is solid, it is time to shift your focus from solely earning money to having your money work for you. This is where the wealthy truly separate themselves. These are low cost, diversified, and hands off way to invest in the entire market, perfect for a long term growth. Max out these tax advantaged retirement accounts. The tax benefits are immense, and time is your biggest ally with compounding. Buy properties and rent them out for passive income and appreciation. This often requires more capital and effort, but can be very rewarding. The way to invest in real estate without directly owning property is also you must explore. More liquid, less management intensive, and that is the property of the investment that you're seeking. This is arguably the fastest way to build significant wealth. Whether it is a brick or mortar or an online business, it gives you control, scalability, and uncapped income potential. E-commerce, content creation, consulting, digital products, low overhead, global reach, some of the ideas that I can throw right now. So there you have it. A comprehensive blueprint to escape the middle class trap and building the financial freedom you have been dreaming of. This journey isn't easy and it won't happen overnight. There will be a challenge, there may be setbacks and moments of doubt. But remember this, you are capable. You have the power to change your financial destiny. It starts with decision. A decision to stop accepting the status quo, to take control, and to build a life on your own terms. This isn't about hoarding money, it's about gaining options, option to travel, to spend more time with loved ones, to pursue your passion, to contribute to the cause you care about, and to live life on your own terms. Don't let the someday mentality hold you back. Your journey starts now. Pick one thing from this video, just one, and implement it today. So friends, if this video resonated with you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and leave a comment or question in the comment section below. And hopefully you will be richer when we meet next time. So friends, see you in the next one.